So imagine learning just one single piece of technology that literally touches 77% of the world's transaction revenue. Crazy, right? Imagine stepping into a career where massive global companies are actively fighting to hire you. We're talking about a salary trajectory that goes from a really solid baseline all the way up to some of the absolute highest paying consulting roles in the entire IT industry. And the wild part? This whole incredible opportunity starts with understanding just one core software, SAP. But here's the really surprising part, Millions of students and professionals have heard the name SAP. I mean, it's everywhere. But if you ask them what it actually does, crickets. Very few people actually understand what it is, why the biggest businesses on the planet completely rely on it, or more importantly, how you even begin to build a roadmap from zero to actually becoming an SAP consultant. Well, by the end of this explainer, you're going to know exactly how this massive system works and exactly how to kickstart your own path. All right. Let's get into it. Part 1. What is SAP? Bringing order to chaos. So let's set the stage a bit. Have you ever wondered how a massive multinational company actually runs day to day? Thousands of employees, millions of customers, giant warehouses, finance teams, global suppliers, all running at the exact same time across different time zones. Without software like SAP, it's basically like the world's worst group project where absolutely nobody is talking to each other. Every single department has its own separate spreadsheets, sales knows one thing, finance has totally different numbers, and the warehouse? They have no clue what's going on. The result is just total chaos, duplicated work, and really, really expensive mistakes. But SAP, it fixes this by bringing every single business function into one integrated system. Instead of these isolated islands of data, everyone works from one single shared source of truth. One update, and boom, everyone sees it instantly. And that brings us to a super important acronym you're going to hear a lot. It's exactly why SAP is known as an Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP system. Honestly, the easiest way to think about ERP is to picture it as the operating system for a business. Just like your smartphone's OS flawlessly manages all your apps, your battery, your camera, and your storage in one place, an ERP manages all the moving parts of an organization so they work perfectly together. So what's actually running on this business operating system? Well, we're talking about finance, sales, procurement, manufacturing, warehouse management, HR, customer service, the whole shebang. Everything is connected. Instead of the warehouse totally panicking because they didn't know sales just closed a massive deal, the whole company operates as one smooth, cohesive unit. The left hand always knows exactly what the right hand is doing. Moving on to Section 2, how SAP connects businesses and the real-world impact. Okay, so let's dive into this and see what actually happens behind the scenes in a real-world scenario. Imagine a customer just clicked buy online for a custom pair of sneakers. The exact second that order goes through, a massive, brilliant chain reaction kicks off inside SAP. First, sales records the transaction. Instantly, the system checks inventory for the stock. Then, the warehouse automatically gets a picking request, so they know to go grab those specific sneakers. Next, finance automatically generates the invoice, shipping prepares the delivery schedule, and finally, the management dashboards update in real time. All of this happens in the blink of an eye. Nobody had to manually send an email or make a phone call to transfer that info. The huge takeaway here is automation. This level of automation is a total game changer. It saves an unbelievable amount of time, it completely slashes human error, and it lets business leaders make much faster decisions based on real data. And here's why this matters to you. This automation is the exact reason SAP is the absolute backbone of the global economy, and it's exactly why these massive companies pay top dollar for the experts who actually know how to keep this engine running. And because it's so powerful, it's not just stuck in one niche industry. Seriously, if a company has complex operations, there's a really high chance SAP is the thing pulling the strings behind the curtain. Manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, banking, retail, telecommunications, government, logistics, pharma, consumer goods, you name it. It is literally everywhere. All right, let's jump to Section 3, Major SAP Modules and Finding Your Career Path. So how do you actually fit into this massive ecosystem? Well, SAP isn't just one giant intimidating wall of code. It's actually broken down into specialized modules, and each one is built for a specific part of a business. Here's the exciting part for you. Every single module represents a totally unique, highly lucrative career path. Choosing one really just comes down to what you actually like doing. If you're a numbers person and love accounting, the finance module is a perfect fit. If you're more into how things flow and dealing with customers, check out sales or procurement. Now, if you are a coder at heart, SAP ABAP, which is SAP's very own programming language, is going to be your playground. Or if you're looking at the cutting-edge stuff like cloud integration or AI, then SAP BTP, that's Business Technology Platform, and SAP AI are exploding right now. Just remember, picking your path is really about finding what you're passionate about, not just chasing a big paycheck. Which brings us to Section 4, Certifications and Salary Potential, Validating Your Skills in 2026. Speaking of paychecks, though, once you do find your passion, how do you actually prove you know your stuff? How do you get that foot in the door? The answer is certifications. Certifications are exactly how you say to an employer, hey, I know what I'm doing. Looking at 2026 and beyond, the industry is pushing hard into cloud and intelligent tech. The really high-value certs right now cover the core business stuff, like S/4HANA Finance, Sales, and Procurement, as well as the future-focused tech. We're talking S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, SAP BTP, the Integration Suite, Analytics Cloud, DataSphere, ABAP Cloud, and of course, SAP AI. Snagging these specific certs lets you tailor your resume and really stand out in the hiring pool.
So what does this actually mean for your bank account? Well, obviously salary depends a lot on where you live and your specific experience, but the overall trajectory is super clear. When you're just starting out at entry level, you'll start a bit lower as you learn the ropes, which is totally normal. But once you get a few implementations under your belt and become an experienced consultant, your compensation jumps significantly. And if you decide to go the technical specialist route in crazy high-demand areas like SAP BTP or SAP AI, oh man, those experts are commanding massive premiums right now as global companies rush to modernize their older systems.
But I gotta be honest, there is a catch to hitting that absolute top tier. Tech moves incredibly fast. If you treat learning as this one-and-done thing, you're going to fall behind. You have to treat it as a habit. Like the quote says, the most successful consultants continuously update their skills as SAP technologies evolve. Embracing that growth mindset, that is exactly how you stay at the very top of the pay scale. Let's wrap it up with Section 5, Your Beginner Roadmap, from Zero to SAP Consultant. Okay, you see the massive potential. You know what it is and why it matters. So how do you actually get there starting from absolute zero today? Phase 1 is all about building your foundation. Step 1. Understand ERP fundamentals. You absolutely have to know the why before the how. Step 2, learn basic business processes. Think about it. You can't configure software for a massive warehouse if you don't even know how a warehouse operates in the real world, right? Step 3, study SAP S/4HANA fundamentals. S/4HANA is simply SAP's newest lightning-fast flagship software, so knowing it is pretty much non-negotiable right now. And Step 4, firmly choose just one specialization based on your interests and stick with it. Once that foundation is solid, we move into Phase 2, which is all about execution. Step 1 is to practice relentlessly using SAP's official learning resources. Step 2, prep for and pass your chosen certification to get that official stamp of approval. Step 3, get your hands dirty with real projects. Theory is cool and all, but practical experience is what actually gets you hired. And Step 4, keep continuously learning advanced cloud and AI tech. Look, I know it's super easy to feel overwhelmed at this stage, but just remember, every single highly paid senior consultant out there started exactly where you are right now. Consistency matters way more than speed. Just take it one step at a time. At the end of the day, SAP is so much more than just software. It is literally the engine powering global business, and mastering it can completely change the trajectory of your life. We've covered the what, the why, and the how for your career today. But are you ready to see how SAP actually works under the hood? In our next explainer, we are going to tear the engine totally apart and explore SAP architecture, from the presentation layer to the application server, straight down into the database. It is absolutely fascinating. So think about which module caught your eye today, and join us next time as we look at the mechanics behind it all.